Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna review on the products which I got from Myntra end of season sale. So let's get started. This is my first product which I bought from Myntra, and this is basically a night suit, and it's in the size M. It has a top with a round neck. The quality is good. I find it a little bit heavier than the regular cotton clothes. It's from the brand Eden and Ivy, and as you can see it's in grey color, and it has different print on all over the top and bottom. So this is basically the shorts which I got with it. It has a elastic waist, and I really like the bottom. I mean, the design is very pretty and it's very comfortable to wear. So the second product is this one which I got from Onlay. So this is basically a crop jacket which you can pair with different kind of jeans or even dresses. I really kind of like the quality of the product. As you can see, it's like good quality of leather, and the inside material is also very nice, and it has a shiny appearance on the top, and it came with a chain in front. So the entire inside material is of same quality. It's basically not the leather, the inside is different material. So the original price of this one is 3699, but I got it in 1109, which is very good deal. So I wouldn't recommend this one for extreme cold weather. You can wear this in mild cold weather, as in Kolkata. So the next product is this t-shirt which I got from Here and Now. I bought the size S, and it's in light pink color. So basically I wanted a t-shirt with a very light material to wear in the summer, and this one is absolutely perfect for summer season, especially in Kolkata. And it has a round neck, so you can pair it with either jeans or shorts. The next product is this night suit which is in yellow color, and it has blue small flower printed all over it. So I got this from the brand etc, and it's in the size small, and as you can see it's very light and it's very good quality cloth. It's says that it's made of viscose rayon, but I find it more of cotton, and in summer it's very nice to wear. You will feel very comfortable and very light weighted. I'll definitely recommend this product to all of you, those who feel like they wanted something light to wear in summer. Go on, this is perfect for the summer season. So it's the original price is around 1699, but I got it in 594. So I think it's very good. I got it in very cheap rate. So next one is this t-shirt. So basically this one is two t-shirt together with different color. One is in gray color and another one is in blue color. This is pure cotton material. I bought this size S. I mean my regular size is S, and this is the t-shirt from the brand Roadster, and it's very comfortable to wear. It has V neck, and I got it in 299. So next one is this solid green color trouser. I got this in the size 29. I usually wear jeans of 28, but then I want it little bit loose because that's more comfortable when it comes to trousers, so I got it in 29. So this is from the brand Libas, and I like the brand very much. I've got other things from this brand as well. This trouser is very soft. It's in the material viscose rayon, but it's very comfortable, feel very cold to your skin. So it has a different style of waist with a band, and I got this one in 679. So next product is this 100% cotton material high rise dyed joggers. You can see it has beautiful printed, it's basically white and blue in color, and it has a elastic material in the waist. And yeah, you can see that it's from the brand Sassafras. I don't know how to pronounce it, but people who wear regular size 28 go for 28 only. I got it in 30 and it's a bit loose. So I got this product in 679. The next one is this beautiful yellow color jumpsuit. As you can see, it's very pretty. I basically got it for my birthday, which is coming next month. So this jumpsuit is from the brand Berry Blush, which is quite popular in Myntra. I have got another product from the same brand, and I got this in the size S. The material of this jumpsuit is polyester, but it's a better quality of polyester. I will not say it's like very nice like cotton or rayon, but then it's okay for me. So those who want something in pure cotton or very light material like cotton or rayon, then I would not suggest this one because it's basically polyester. And the original price is around 1899, but I got this one in 759. So it's the material, I can just overlooked it because it's value for the money. It has a chain on the back side, and you can see it has sleeve and a beautiful pattern of shoulder, so I kind of like it. So the next one is again a dress. So let me tell you that this has a very complicated back, and it took me around 5 to 10 minutes just to understand how the back actually works. And I also had to go through various images to see how to fix this back portion. So if someone is looking for an easy and doesn't looking for something which will take time, then don't go for this one, because even if you fix it, but at the time when you are going to wear it, you need to again you know get it out and then again put it back, the laces I mean. So it's in the size S, and the original price is 2400, but I got this in very cheap price, and I was I was neglecting the other disadvantage of this product because the price was very less. So I got it at just rupees 408. So this is my final product. I hope you guys like my review and my video. If you like my video, do subscribe and do give a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.